Right, so this time we're going to show you how to wear this as a one-shouldered dress. And again, this will fit most sizes. Can you just hold that side, Kate? So how we do this is we're going to go under her arm, and bring this back up to the shoulder. Can you hold that there? So you can do it on your own, but it helps to have someone helping you. So we hold that on the shoulder, and then because this will wrap all the way around her body, it comes under and it meets on the top, and we're going to tie it on the top in a nice secure knot. And then if you just turn around, Kate. So that's that.